It is here. The 4x4 Rubik's Cube, Rubik's Revenge. What's up guys, I'm back. So it's been over a year now since I've done my last tutorial on cubes. So if y'all don't know how to solve 3x3, then I highly recommend learning that before you move on to this, the Rubik's Revenge. This was pretty tedious to me when I first done this, and it took me a week to solve, and it was not that fun. So let's just get straight to it. Okay, so before I start scrambling, make sure they don't have the center. They have edges. You just look around. Seems kind of complicated. Similar to 2x2, but it's not actually 2x2. I can tell you this right now. Half of the steps is going to be with the 3x3, which is awesome, but with parity errors, which we need to memorize some algorithms. So let's get straight to it. Okay, so we got this scrambled cube right here. I know. It's messed up. Oh no. But seriously though, we can do this, okay? We got this. So the first step is centers. So you need to first fill this white center in, so it's easy enough. Make sure this pairs up with this, like, for example, like that. So that's on the top, that's on the top, so it's separated. So we can just bring that up. See, now we got a bar over here. And so now this next part, the two white bars you need. This one, and then if you look, there it is. So it's on this side, and this is on this side. So then just do that, and then bring it up here. So like this. Make sure that they are like this. Then you bring it up. Or if you're down here like this, then bring it up. Okay, so here's this case. So you got 3 bars, right? There's a triangle, well, kind of like a triangle to me, like that. Well, it's down here. So if you know how to solve 2x2 centers, then this won't be too hard. But this is up here, right? But this is down here, so it's in the same alignment. So bring this down. There you go. Then you want to bring it up here. So like that. Then bring it up here. And now you're good for the next center. So this first part to me was hard because you need the yellow up here. Because white is the opposite of yellow. So you want to look for yellow pieces like these 3 right here. So if you got a bar, or you can do like this, make sure these 2, bring this up, and then move it out of the way. So that way, bring this down, then they'll be still connected. Let me do it slower this time. Right here. So if you bring it up, right, then you move at least 2 times, and then you bring it down. Just like that. And we're going to look for the other bar for this. So there it is. So this is right here. This is right here. So if I try to connect it, it will not connect. This means is they're in the same row. So that means it has to be right here. So if we could move it, just watch this piece. It has to be right there. So just turn it. Then you got this one piece here. And then now you're good to connect. But Gabriel, I'm trying to do this and it wouldn't work. Well, I'll show you how. Okay, calm down. So, make sure these 2 are in the same. Then bring it up so you can push this out of the way. Move at least 2 times again. And then bring this down. Oh, okay, Gabriel. Now I got it. No, this is not too hard. I just need to memorize it for a little bit. Okay. So this next part, though, is similar to the first center. Since you got the opposite centers already completed, now we can do this part. So I'll be doing green right here, since that has a bar already. So we're going to do like this, because we want it like that. Let's look for the pieces, for the center. There she is. You can just tilt it, and then bam, there you go. Now you're ready for the next center. So I want to show y'all another case with this. Let's say I have this case like this again, but this time it's right here. Or it could be like this. Make sure, same thing. Bring it down here. Make sure they align. Then go up. And then you're good. Now, make sure green is right beside red of the white top. So, we got one piece of green, red right there, my bad. We got two reds right here and one right there. So how to connect this is, since you already got these three centers, make sure they align. Like this time. Then you bring it down like that. This pushes it out of the way. Make sure you move it out of the way. And then revert it back. Just like that. And then now, we got these two reds right here. So this case, we're going to be doing this. Make sure you are pulling it down. I know this pushes this, but don't worry about that. Then tilt this, then the same alignment. Then go up. And now you can bring the red right down for their head. It's connected. But just ignore that. Pretend, well, y'all's just messed up, mine's is. Mine's isn't. So just ignore that. So if yours is on the back, make sure you have them the same. Make sure you first do this. And do it at least twice again. Then bring it back up. Or you'll get stumped at a case like this. But these two are here. So make sure you go up. Like that. And then down. And I got all the centers for no reason. So I'm going to be showing you a few cases with these last two centers. So if it looks like this. Or if it looks like that. Make sure you have the same alignment. And then go up. And it pushes that way. Make sure that where it's previously pushed at, go the opposite way. Just like that. Or if you get a case like this, where these two are diagonal and one's right here. So what I would do, make sure you push this down first. Then wherever the spot's at, make sure it lines with it. So there we go. Then bring this back up. And then you got this part, the easy part. So just bring it up. Go at least twice, and then go down.